Hi there, welcome back to yet another video. This time we're going to be looking at the method of integrating using partial fractions. Now this is really useful because now and again we'll have a denominator that looks something like this and it's just quite tricky to integrate directly. So the idea of partial fractions is we want to change something like this, so 5 over x minus 1, 3x plus 2, and we want to get it something like this, a over x minus 1 plus b over 3x plus 2. So we need to find some constants a and b such that this happens. Right, and we can use some algebra to tidy this up a little bit. So basically, if we can get the denominators to be the same, then we can conclude that the numerators must be the same. So we will get 5 is equivalent to a lots of 3x plus 2 plus b lots of x minus 1. Now if you can't quite see that straight away, just take a minute and have a look at it. You'll get there. So we're times in this term by 3x plus 2 on both sides and this term by x minus 1 on both sides. And everything's going to cancel nicely and we're left with this. Okay. Right. Now we can do a few things to find our a and b. So, note that if x equals 1 here, then this bracket is going to be 0. And that means we can get rid of b. So, if x equals 1, then we have 5 is equal to a. Well, 3 times 1 is 1, plus 2 is 5. So we've got 5a, and then, as we said, that is 0. And this tells us that a is 1. Okay, similarly, note in this bracket, if x is minus 2/3, we're going to get 3 lots of minus 2/3, which is minus 2, plus 2 is 0. So let's put that in. So if x equals minus 2/3, then 5 equals b lots of minus 2/3 minus 1. And this is minus 5 over 3, b. So from there we can conclude that, well, we have b is 5 times 3 divided by minus 5, which is minus 3. Okay, so let's clean this up a bit and write out what we've got. Okay, great. So this is what we have now. We have the thing we started with, the thing we're trying to integrate, 5 over x minus 1 times 3x plus 2, is equal to 1 over x minus 1 minus 3 over 3x plus 2. And we can easily integrate this now, so let's go ahead and do that. So we have the integral of what we're looking for, 5 over x minus 1 times 3x plus 2 dx is now equal to this. So it's 1 over x minus 1 minus 3 over 3x plus 2 dx. Right, and we can easily evaluate this using what we know. So we know that if we see something of the form f dash x over f of x, then this is the natural log. So this first part here is the natural log of x minus 1. Okay, note the derivative of the bottom of this one is 3. So we can actually just say that this is the natural log of 3x plus 2. And as always, don't forget that plus c. So let's just check by differentiating. Well, we've got 1 over x minus 1 here and 3 over 3x plus 2. So we're done. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.